everybody, it's me, Tyler Smuda, back with another YouTube video, and I have a Honda 125 4-stroke right here, and it's very nice. The kill switch is right there. We have an electric start and a kickstart. Like to use both. We have some stickers. The guy, when he gave me the keys, it came with this, and it doesn't go into fit in there, so I'm guessing it went to something that he owned, like or a barn or something. But the seat is very, very great, and there's 4 gears on this bike, and this bike is I believe it's 2013. Comment down below if I am wrong or right. But the clutch right there is very good. Like, it's very smooth, and the wheels are about the same size, just a little thicker than each other. Yeah, just a little thicker. The suspension is very good. The great thing about this is my first dirt bike that involves a clutch. And if I gun it in first gear, I do not do a wheelie. It does not have that much power, but it does go pretty fast when you start to get going. And so far, this bike has been running very good. And I'll do a YouTube video on my GoPro later of me riding this. And so thank you guys for watching this new video, and please subscribe, leave a like, and turn on your notifications so you guys get an update when I post new videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, and share this video with others. Thank you. Bye.